Why should I do business with you? This is the question your prospects are asking themselves. How would you answer it? What will you say that will elevate, separate, differentiate, and distinguish you from all your competitors, make them irrelevant, position you as the expert in your field and the obvious choice? Do you have a unique marketing position? What position do you have in your prospect's mind? Remember, marketing is about perception, and perception is reality. How do you want your prospects to perceive you? Create your own unique marketing position and lead your prospects to decide, I'm going to do business with you regardless of your commission. Marketing is the #1 skill to have. Now go mind your own business.
The TREC-approved 30-hour SAE class, Marketing, the #1 skill to have, is on February 26th through 27th, 2018. This class will be offered at our Austin location and as a live broadcast. Enroll now by calling 512-453-0900 or go to www.buildmyrebusiness.com. Now go mind your own business.